everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Limu and welcome to the family. If you are new here guys, you are most heartily welcome to join our family. Also guys, into this video I will be going over how to open your own Amazon account. So if you are thinking about selling on Amazon but you are not sure where to start, you are in the right place and at the right time. So guys, into this video I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your own Amazon sellers account. So let's get started. So family, before we dive into some technical stuff, it's important to do a little homework. So you will need to understand Amazon's requirement and also make sure you have all the necessary documents ready. So these documents you will need to have on hand will include your government issue ID, your bank account details, and your tax information like your SSN or your ERN. Also, you need to decide whether you are going to have an individual or a professional sales plan. So the individual plan is perfect if you are just starting and expect to sell 30 to 40 items a month. And if you are aiming like higher, the professional plan might be the best way for you. So next, please head over to the sellercentral.amazon.com where you will see the option to sign up. Before you can sign up, I would advise that you click on learn more, where you will see a lot of information provided to you by Amazon that you can go through before signing. And right below that page you will see the individual account to sign up for that. So here it is, sign up to become an individual seller. You can just click on that, and if you click on that, it's going to take you to a page where Amazon will request for all of your details. So one of the most important thing I would advise you is to always remember that the individual plan charges 99 cents per sale, while the professional plan has a flat rate of $39.99 monthly fees. So at this point you will have to just put in your email. So I already have a seller's account, so for this one I will just try to use another email. Next step is going to be the two-step verification, where Amazon is going to be requesting for the phone number. So the phone number that you will provide or the email will be used for verification purposes. So just enter the best phone number you would prefer, and a code will also be sent over to that phone number to verify your identity. After that, fill in that information with the code. So family, after you enter the OTP code, this is the page you're going to be taken to, where this is welcome, yes, what to expect. So at this time, Amazon would expect for you to provide your business information. So enter your business name as you want it to appear to customers. Provide a phone number and email for verification, and also add your bank account details for deposit. Don't forget to complete the tax interview. This is where you will provide your SSN or your ERN for tax reporting. So as you can also see there are available documents Amazon is going to be requesting you to have, like I stated in the video previously: the valid government issue ID card, recent bank account or your credit card statement, chargeable credit or debit card, and also your mobile phone. So these are the information they will be requesting of you. So guys, when you press begin, it's going to take you to where to select the country you are from. No matter your country, Amazon has a wide coverage, so just select your country. Since I'm in the US, I'm going to select United States. So the next one is going to ask you for is the business type. Whatever your business type is, just select that and agree and continue. And the next one they're going to be requesting is your full name. Enter all of those details and press I confirm that my business location and type are correct, and just agree and continue. So at this point, they're gonna be requesting for all of your information, your business information. This is a primary contact person information. They will ask for building, the stores, verification. So I would advise to take your time, go through it, step-by-step process, filling all of the requested information. And this would the last step would be the verification. Sometimes they will require you to go for an interview, but for my end, I was not asked to go for an interview. I was approved after I submitted all of my information. Thanks, guys, for being my audience today, and I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned as I will be dropping how to add your product to your Amazon, how to add products. So yes, that will be my next video, so watch up, guys, and can't wait to see you all on my next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.